Hey y'all, Sam here, and today we're going to unbox the FASHOM fashion box. This is not like your traditional subscription. What you do is you go on the app whenever you want to be styled, and you say, hey, style me. And typically 3 to 5 days later, they'll upload 7 items into your app, and out of those 7 items, you pick 5 of them to be shipped to you for you to try out at home. I've gotten this box before a long time ago. I will link that video up here if you're interested in seeing that one. But this time I didn't really like the first 7 items they picked for me. And so I wrote them and let them know that. Like, hey, I don't really like these items. And what they did is they went ahead and uploaded some new items for me. Some of them stayed, but they added a few extra ones to give me a little bit more options. So that I did like that they were willing to, edit what they put in there. All right, so let's go ahead and check out which 5 items that I picked out. All right, so the first item I got is this maxi dress. It has a ruffle detail in the chest. It's very long, as you can tell. This is in a size 3X. I really like the pattern of this. This navy maxi dress is by Chris and Carol. That is the brand that makes it. Doesn't say what the fabric is. It feels to be like cotton, though, to me. Maybe a cotton blend. It does have a little bit of stretch to it. The price of this dress is $45, so let's go ahead and try her out. Okay, so here is the maxi dress. This dress is really cute. It fits really well. It's very stretchy and loose, which is nice. It has like a little faux wrap here. It doesn't really wrap all the way, but you can kind of pull it tighter if you want less cleavage showing, or you can make it a little looser if you want it to be a little bit more sexy. I like the sleeves. I like how loose they are here, and it touches the floor. I am 5'6", so it is a great length. It barely touches the floor though, so once I put shoes on, this is going to be a great dress. So this one was $45, and I kind of think I'm going to keep it. What do you guys think? Should I keep this dress? So the second item I got is this floral blouse. I like the little crisscross detail around the neck. It's like a peachy kind of color. It looks like the seam of it is going to bill out, which I definitely like. That's more figure flattering on a plus size gal like myself. This top is also from Chris and Carol. It's called the Alyssa Crisscross Top, and it is $44. Okay, I think this is my favorite shirt. This is super cute and figure flattering. See how it kind of like bells out? It stays very loose away from your stomach area, which as a plus size woman, that's an area that I don't like to show off. I don't like anything tight on my gut. And I feel like this would be super comfortable, really cute with jeans. Oh, I think you could even wear it early winter with a cardigan, some jeans, and some knee-high brown boots. I think this could be really cute. This shirt is $44, but I think I'm going to keep it. You guys let me know in the comments below. Do you think I should keep this? I need you guys' feedback. I need you guys to help me and tell me which items you thought looked good on me and which items you thought looked bad and I should just not spend my money on. Okay, looking at the card, every single item is from Chris and Carol. So I'm not going to keep repeating that anymore. All right, the third item is this polka dot skirt. It is a long skirt and it has a ruffle down the bottom, and it looks like it has like a ruffle seam, kind of like it looks like it is like a wrap skirt, but it's not. It's like a faux wrap. Very, very cute pattern. Love this pattern. And this skirt is $46. Another shirt with a ruffle sleeve. The sleeve is longer though. It's kind of like a 3/4 sleeve in denim blue, and it is $41. I thought maybe the shirt and skirt would go together, but that's not going to work. I'm definitely going to need a white shirt with this skirt if I keep it. I tucked the shirt into it just so you could see the tie here. Plus, I'd probably wear this with the shirt tucked in just because I think it looks a little cuter. Sorry, my filming space right now, I can't get that far from the camera. So it's a little hard to show you. The length of the skirt is coming about mid-calf. I mean, I think the skirt's okay, but I don't feel like it's really like doing a lot for my body. Same thing with the shirt. Let's go ahead and untuck it. So here is the t-shirt untucked. The length's okay. The sleeves are cute, but it's not doing a lot for me for $41. I mean, it just feels like a t-shirt. I mean, the sleeves are kind of cute. I don't know. You guys tell me what you think. Do you think I should keep the shirt or skirt? Or should I just send them back and not spend my money? I wish Chris and Carol would say what the fabric is of these items, but the tags have no directions, no care instructions, nothing. This is what it looks like here. You just have the little tag. It doesn't even say the size. The size is only on the FASHOM tag. So this third item is a short sleeve ruffle sleeve shirt in the color red. Feels like cotton as well. This has a little stretch to it, but not as much as that maxi dress. As you can see here on the sleeve, that is where the ruffle is. The rest of it is just a plain red t-shirt. All of my items are in a 3X, and this shirt is $44. That's a little pricey for a t-shirt, in my opinion. We'll see how cute it is on. All right, so here is the red shirt. It's a cute t-shirt. I do like the little sleeve ruffle. I kind of feel the same as I did about the blue one. While it's a cute t-shirt, to me it's still just kind of a t-shirt. And I don't wear a lot of t-shirts. I like more dressy, professional looking clothes because I do work in an office. So I like to buy things that I feel like I can wear to work and make look professional. Maybe you could do this, but it's still like that kind of t-shirt material, so it doesn't feel as dressy to me. Okay, so now that I've completely messed up my hair trying all these clothes on, I am down to like 3 items that I could possibly keep. So the polka dot skirt is definitely out. I don't think it's worth the $46 for it. It's very thin. It has a small lining on the inside, but very short, kind of like bunched up when I was trying to put it on and move around. I just don't feel like it's high quality, and it didn't do anything for my body that I like absolutely loved. Now for the items I definitely want to keep is this shirt. I really, really liked the way this shirt fit. I feel like based on it being like a blush color and kind of muted, it's not so springy that I can also wear it into fall. So how FASHOM works is if you keep all 5 items, then they'll actually give you 30% off of all of the items in the box. So if I keep everything in this box, it'll only be $154. Not bad for 5 items. I'm just not in love with all of these items. So now it's looking at if I keep 3 items, 3 or 4 items, if you keep them, you can still get 25% off. So this is kind of where I am in the thought process of which items to keep. So this maxi dress is really cute and really comfortable. I love the pattern on it. My only thought is, will I wear this to work? Probably not. It's not professional work attire. It's more like vacation, beach, luau kind of attire, which I don't do a lot of. I go on a cruise like maybe once every 3 years, and that's kind of the only time I see myself really wearing this. So, I don't know. This one is up in the air for me. What it does have going for it is that it has sleeves. There's so many maxi dresses out there that are sleeveless, and I'm not comfortable wearing a sleeveless dress or a shirt. I'm just not that comfortable with my arms, and that's okay. We all have parts of our bodies that we prefer not to show off, and that is one of the reasons why I am thinking about getting this dress, because it actually has sleeves, and I don't have that many maxi dresses. So it could be a good addition to my wardrobe. You guys let me know what you think. But if I keep the 2 items, then I might as well keep a 3rd item, right? If I keep just the shirt and dress, I'm gonna pay $89 for it. If I keep 3 items, then I'll get 25% off of all of them, which means I can get one of these 2 shirts for roughly $9. That's not a bad price. I don't wanna pay $40-something for them, but for $9, then I think it's worth getting one. The question is, which one do I get? Do you guys think the blue one looks better or the red one? Please leave a comment below. Quickly help me out because I have to mail this stuff back within the next 48 hours so I don't get charged for all of it. Well, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and struggling through this video. I know my setup is horrible for trying to get full body shots at the moment. I will work on that. Well, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I hope that you have a wonderful, fabulous day. And until next time, bye y'all.